As today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Glassdoor app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. When app show for you, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just go down here to show for you here or looking for Glassdoor app here in this list. So just go down here. When it's going to show for you like this, you click on Glassdoor app. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage. Then you come to storage list, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store. So you click on your Play Store. Then you search for Glassdoor app. It's going to show for you like this, and you will find here update. You just click on update, then it's going to work with you, or it's going to work with you when you click on update. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.